Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by protecting yourself and the work area. Stainless steel resists corrosion but abrasive dirt scratches. Once ready, rinse each rod under warm running water to flush grit away. Mix mild detergent and 1/2 cup vinegar per 4 liters for a gentle cleaning solution. Use a soft cloth or nylon brush, scrub along the grain to lift grime without creating micro scratches. Make sure to keep motions consistent. Small circular scrubs trap particles and cause marks, so follow the metal's direction. Once surface dirt is removed, focus on stains and residues. You apply a baking soda paste or non-abrasive stainless cleaner to stubborn areas and let it sit briefly to break down deposits. For oil or grease, dab rubbing alcohol or acetone on a lint-free cloth and wipe the spot. Make sure to ventilate and test a small area first. After treatment, rinse thoroughly and dry. Then polish along the grain with a small amount of chrome polish or olive oil to restore luster and minimize future adhesion of grime. You finish by drying each rod completely with a microfiber cloth to prevent water spots and check for streaks or pitting. If you need longer protection, apply a thin film of protective wax or a commercial passivation solution following manufacturer directions. This reduces oxidation. If a rod looks cloudy or etched, don't scrub harder. Re-clean and use a citric acid passivation treatment on a hidden section first to confirm results. If issues persist, replace the rod or consult a metal specialist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.